Welcome back, drone enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro, a release that has already sparked excitement across the tech community. With DJI's track record of revolutionizing the drone industry, the Mini 5 Pro promises to redefine the possibilities of compact aerial photography and videography. This lightweight marvel made high-quality drone technology more accessible by bypassing many regulatory restrictions. The Mini 2, released in 2020, elevated expectations by introducing 4K video capabilities, enhanced range, and improved stability. Then came the Mini 3 Pro in 2022, a game-changer with features like obstacle avoidance sensors, a 48MP camera, and intelligent shooting modes. Fast forward to 2023, the Mini 4 Pro took things up a notch with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, 4K slow-motion recording at 100 frames per second, and enhanced AI flight technology. One of the most awaited features of the Mini 5 Pro is a significantly extended flight time. While the Mini 4 Pro offers up to 34 minutes of flight, rumors suggest the Mini 5 Pro could achieve 40 minutes or more. A standout feature expected in the Mini 5 Pro is the inclusion of an optical zoom lens. This innovation would allow users to achieve stunningly detailed shots of distant subjects without compromising image quality. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to support 10-bit color depth, a leap forward in image quality. This improvement allows for smoother color gradations and a broader color spectrum, making it easier to achieve professional-grade results during post-production. Vibrant colors, richer tones, and more lifelike visuals will set the Mini 5 Pro apart from its competitors. DJI's FocusTrack technology has been a hallmark of its drones, and the Mini 5 Pro could take this to the next level. Enhanced subject tracking, predictive motion capabilities, and autonomous framing might be part of this new iteration. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature upgraded sensors for omnidirectional obstacle detection, ensuring safer flights even in complex environments. The Mini 5 Pro could also enhance its low-light performance with advanced HDR video and dedicated night shooting modes. There's speculation that DJI might leap to 8K video recording with the Mini 5 Pro. This level of resolution would future-proof your content, offering unmatched detail and clarity for those looking to stay ahead in the world of professional videography. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a drone that caters to all users, from hobbyists to professionals. Its lightweight design, advanced features, and anticipated competitive pricing make it an attractive option for creators looking to elevate their craft. While DJI has not officially announced the price or release date, industry insiders predict the Mini 5 Pro will hit the market in late 2025. Based on the pricing trends of previous models, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to start at around $799, depending on the configuration. Stay tuned as we bring you the latest updates on this revolutionary device. Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest tech innovations.